bitter true story of Warren Buffett. From a very young age, he became interested in making money and investments. Till the age of 12, he read every book on money and investment, and was burning to make money somehow. When Warren Buffett read 1,000 Ways to Make $1,000, it changed his life. After reading this book, his mentality was shifted to earning more and more. This is another of real-life inspirational stories that touched heart, because he is among the world's richest personalities. Warren Buffett did odd jobs. Like others, the Warren Buffett was not ashamed of working. He did every job that he could in his childhood, from washing cars to working in a Coca-Cola company. From a very early age, he got a lot of experience. He learned different ways of making money. He understood how these companies make money. First business. Warren Buffett had learned the art of savings, and that is how he did it in his childhood. While he was working in a day job, he saved some earnings of it. Using these savings, he started his first business. Warren and his friend bought a paintball and kept it in a local barber shop. His idea was, the customers will have fun until they get their turn of haircut. They won't be bored. The business worked. Right in their first week they got $25 of it, and within months the idea was spread all over the city. The business that he started for $25 after a year was sold for $1,200, which was a huge return on investment at that time. The success continued. Warren Buffett was interested in the stock market business, so he worked for Benjamin Graham, where he learned about value investing. After he learned this type of investment, Warren bought shares of Berkshire Hathaway. This company was underperforming, and that is why stocks were sold cheaper. Although Warren had other business too, but his main focus was on Berkshire. He kept on buying the shares of Berkshire until he became the owner. From this company, he got much success, and then grew up gradually. Warren Buffett never stopped learning. Even still, he reads 5 hours a day. That shows the importance of learning. No matter at what stage you are, you have to keep on learning.
Moral: if you have passion for something, go for it. You will see wonders.